Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at the social media app Instagram. Now, there are a number of auto posting programs that post direct to Instagram based on some activity. However, in Zapier, one of the things that you'll note is that Instagram is actually a trigger on other applications. So if we click the trigger link, you'll see that liking media on Instagram, tagging media on Instagram, posting media, following someone, and then new media by location, all of those activities can trigger actions on other applications. As an example, there are a number of Instagram integrations that have Instagram as the trigger. For example, you can share any Instagram photo to Twitter automatically. You can also save any liked Instagram photos to your Google Drive folders. So as you scroll through the various applications, as a user of Instagram, you can find those processes that you are using between two applications and then automate them through Zapier. So what we're going to do is we're going to save any liked Instagram photos to sorted Google Drive folders. And we're going to click Use this Zap. And Zapier tells us that this is basically to keep track of our favorite photos and then to make sure that we have them archived. So we're going to go ahead and click Create this Zap. We're going to continue past the trigger. And then we're going to connect our Instagram account. We'll then authorize Zapier to use our Instagram account. We'll then test Instagram. Once it is successful, we'll click Save and Continue. We're now going to click Fetch and Continue. Zapier will confirm that our test is successful. We're then going to click Continue. Now we're going to find a specific folder in Google Drive to save our photos. We're going to test our connection and then click Save and Continue. We'll then create a name for our folder and then we'll click Continue. Once we do that, we'll click Fetch and Continue. And then Zapier will confirm that our test is successful. We'll then click Continue. We'll then click Continue through Google Drive. Once again, we'll test our system, confirm success, and then click Save and Continue. We'll then select our folder, and then we'll click Continue. We'll then send the test to Google Drive, and then we'll click Finish. Once we do that, our Zap is then turned on. We'll then see our liked photo inside of the folder that we designated. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.